That photo of a person you just scrolled past might not be a photo at all. It might be a face assembled from patterns, eyes, skin, lighting, hair, tiny shadows, by an AI that has never met a real person. In the next few minutes, you will learn how AI makes fake faces look real, why it sometimes makes strange mistakes, and how you can spot these images when you see them online. Plain English, no jargon, no computer science degree required. Here is the big reframe. An AI image generator is not taking a photo. It is not remembering one exact person. It builds a new image from patterns it learned across many images. So, what does training mean in plain English? The AI looks at huge numbers of image and text pairs. It learns which visual patterns match words like face, smile, portrait, sunlight, or old photo. Many modern generators start with visual static, like a messy cloud of pixels. Then they gradually remove the mess, step by step, until the picture matches the prompt you typed. Think of it like a sculptor with a block of marble. The block starts rough and shapeless. Small chips come off, one by one, until a clear face appears. The AI does the same thing, just with pixels instead of stone. Now, why do faces look especially real? Human faces share repeated structures: two eyes, a nose, a mouth, skin texture, lighting, and symmetry. The AI can combine these learned patterns into something familiar. But here is the key point. The person you see is usually not real. The image can look like someone, but it is normally a blend of learned patterns, not a hidden photograph of a specific person. So why does AI get details wrong? Hands, teeth, jewelry, earrings, reflections, text, and backgrounds often break. The AI matches appearance, not true understanding. It doesn't know how fingers actually work. Think of it this way. The AI has seen millions of hands in pictures, but it never learned that a hand has exactly 5 fingers connected to one wrist. It only learned what hands tend to look like. Now let us talk about prompts. The words you type steer the image. Words like cinematic, passport photo, studio lighting, or Instagram selfie push the AI toward different learned styles. The same prompt with one new word can change everything. Add the word vintage, and skin tones shift, lighting softens, and the photo looks older. The AI is matching the patterns it learned for that word. So how can you spot these images online? Start with the eyes. Real eyes usually catch light in matching ways. AI eyes sometimes have mismatched reflections, or pupils that point in slightly different directions. Next, look at the small stuff. Mismatched earrings, weird teeth, impossible reflections, warped text on signs, too perfect skin, or details that simply do not agree with each other. Backgrounds are another giveaway. AI often blurs them or fills them with shapes that look like objects but make no sense. A door with no handle, a window with no frame, a street sign with letters that turn to mush. A gentle tip: you do not need to catch every detail. One or two strange things in the same image is usually a strong clue. Real photos can have flaws too, so look for several signs together, not just one. It helps to remember the AI is not lying on purpose. It has no idea what is true. It only knows what tends to appear next to what. That is why a fake face can feel so warm and human and still have 6 fingers. Here is the short recap. Fake AI faces look real because the model learned the patterns of real faces. Then it builds a new face from those patterns, pixel by pixel, until the result feels familiar to your eyes. And the practical takeaway? Slow down before you trust a face online. Check the eyes, the hands, the jewelry, and the background. If two details disagree, the image may not be a photograph at all. If this helped things click, subscribe to Tech Actually for simple explainers on AI, tech, and how things actually work. See you in the next one.